Hey guys, I made flower pillows. I made a bouquet to add to my bed for spring decor. First, I drew my templates. I used different colors of fabric and this Featherweight Interfacing to make them sturdier. I ironed interfacing onto fabric and traced the templates. Then cut out 2 of each for the front and back. I marked where the leaf would go on the stem. Next, I folded the tab on the flower and aligned it with the stem. With the backsides facing out, sew them together. I placed the tab down in the direction of the stem. Next, sew the front and back of the leaf together. My seam allowance was about 1/4 of an inch for the leaf, and the other parts were about 3/8 of an inch. Cut slits around the leaf and turn it inside out. I used the end of a crochet hook to define the edges. Then stuff it with polyfiber fill and sew it closed. I sewed close to the edge. Then I attached the leaf to the stem. I let the end stick out a little and sewed close to the edge just to keep it in place. Next, I sewed the front and back pieces together. This is where I left an opening. I sewed this side with the leaf sticking out. Then, when I reached the other side, I folded and tucked in the leaf to avoid sewing it. Then continued sewing. I left an opening on the opposite side of the leaf. Next, cut slits around the curves and corners. The yellow flower was uneven, so I fixed it. Then turned it inside out. I marked the other flowers to guide where to sew. Then stuffed it. I closed the opening using a ladder stitch. To do this, knot the end of your thread. Starting from under the fabric, bring your needle up. Go across and make a stitch. Go across again and make another stitch. Continue the pattern. Knot the end and tuck in the knot. Then I made more. I also sewed a strip with Velcro to group the flowers together. And here's how they turned out.